This is really the first tool that's actually using state-of-the-art technology to interpret text, to interpret cases, and then to be able to use that information to solve legal problems for us. The legal industry is facing a disruption like never before. AI isn't just assisting lawyers. It's replacing entire tasks that once required years of legal training. CoCounsel, built by Anthropic and Thomson Reuters, is the first AI system that law firms actually trust, handling legal research, document drafting, and case analysis in seconds. Law firms are already using it, and the results are game-changing. Legal research that once took weeks now happens in minutes. Studies show that AI-driven legal tools are reducing research time by 30 to 50%, reshaping how legal professionals work. But here's where it gets even bigger. We're not just talking about lawyers losing work. AI is moving into tax law, contract analysis, and even courtroom decision-making. Could AI judges be next? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how deep this revolution goes, whether the legal profession will ever be the same again. The secret behind Claude's legal superpowers: I could double-check it very easily and became confident very quickly that it was providing me with accurate, good information. Most AI chatbots struggle with accuracy, especially in fields like law where precision is everything. A single mistake in a legal contract can change everything. That's why general-purpose AI tools like CashChat, GPT, or Bard weren't enough for this industry. CoCounsel, powered by Claude AI, works differently. It's built using a system called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. This means instead of making up answers, it pulls data from an authoritative legal database, 150 years of verified legal documents, case law, and regulations from Thomson Reuters. Rob Greenlee, head of industries at Anthropic, explained that Claude was specifically optimized for legal tasks. Unlike generic AI, it doesn't just predict words. It uses structured legal workflows, advanced prompting techniques, and real-time case law updates to ensure accuracy. And here's where things get interesting. Lawyers using CoCounsel aren't just saving time, they're outperforming their competitors. Research tasks that once took hours now take minutes. Some firms report 10x faster case preparation. So if AI can now research legal cases faster than a human, where does that leave traditional lawyers? How CoCounsel is replacing lawyers right now. Legal work has always been expensive because it requires extensive research and analysis. A single case might involve sifting through thousands of pages of legal precedents, contracts, and court rulings. That's where lawyers rack up billable hours. But CoCounsel is changing that. Instead of lawyers spending weeks analyzing case law, AI does it in seconds. Firms are already using it to handle critical legal tasks with unprecedented efficiency. For instance, AI-powered legal research scans massive legal databases and finds relevant case precedents, instantly eliminating the need for exhaustive manual searches. In contract drafting and in legal document creation, AI suggests references and edits his documents, ensuring accuracy while reducing the time spent on tedious paperwork. It also plays a crucial role in analyzing opposing legal arguments, identifying weak points in a case, and helping lawyers prepare more effective responses. And it's not just about speed. Accuracy is improving too. Since AI operates on verified legal texts and continuously updates itself with new case law, it significantly minimizes human errors. Something even the most experienced lawyers struggle with. A report from Thomson Reuters reveals that firms using AI for legal research save an average of 30 to 50% of their time. That translates to fewer billable hours for lawyers and more affordable legal services for clients. So if AI is now taking over research drafting and even case analysis, what exactly are lawyers doing? The multi-AI strategy that's changing everything. Unlike a one-size-fits-all AI, CoCounsel uses multiple AI models tailored to different levels of complexity. Claude 3 Haiku is designed for quick legal lookups and basic document reviews, making it ideal for handling routine research tasks with efficiency. Meanwhile, Claude 3.5 Sonnet specializes in deep legal analysis and case law interpretation, providing detailed insights and citations that would normally take hours for a lawyer to compile manually. This multi-model approach is what makes CoCounsel different. It's not just automating tasks. It's optimizing how legal professionals work. Instead of a lawyer spending 3 hours reviewing documents, Haiku extracts key points in seconds. If a case requires a more in-depth legal strategy, Sonnet delivers comprehensive analysis, pulling from verified sources to ensure accuracy. And here's where it gets even more disruptive. Some firms are now allowing AI to handle entire legal processes from start to finish. Think about what that means. If AI is managing the most time-consuming aspects of legal work, What happens to junior lawyers and legal researchers? And what about clients? Will people still pay thousands in legal fees when AI can provide legal analysis at a fraction of the cost? This isn't a hypothetical future scenario. It's happening right now, and the legal industry may never be the same. The security that makes this AI unstoppable. The biggest concern with AI and law isn't speed or efficiency, it's trust. If legal AI makes a mistake, the consequences can be massive. A single misinterpreted precedent or a flawed contract clause can lead to lawsuits, financial losses, or even wrongful convictions. That's why security and accuracy have been the top priorities in the development of CoCounsel. Unlike consumer AI models that pull data from the open internet, CoCounsel operates on a closed, secure system that only accesses verified, legally binding information. The backbone of this security is Amazon Bedrock, a cloud infrastructure designed to keep legal data encrypted, private, and compliant with the strictest industry standards. This means law firms don't have to worry about client confidentiality breaches, data leaks, or unauthorized AI training on sensitive cases. Since AI and legal work handles highly classified and sensitive material, ensuring that data remains protected is critical to its adoption. But what about AI errors? This is one of the biggest concerns for legal professionals, hesitant about AI integration. Can AI be trusted with sensitive legal cases? The answer lies in its structure. CoCounsel doesn't generate answers randomly. It pulls from a structured legal knowledge base with human oversight. This ensures that responses are based on vetted legal text rather than speculative or incomplete data, and while AI speeds up the process, it does not replace human judgment. Lawyers still review and approve the final work, meaning AI is only transforming who conducts the research, not who makes the ultimate decisions. This is why law firms are adopting AI faster than ever before. Unlike past legal tech solutions that were limited in scope, CoCounsel represents a shift in how legal professionals work, meeting professional standards without compromising security. Who wins and who loses in this AI revolution? As with any major technological shift, there will be winners and losers. AI in the legal industry isn't eliminating lawyers outright, but it's fundamentally changing how law firms operate. Those who embrace it stand to gain significantly, while those who resist may find themselves struggling to stay relevant. The winners in this AI-driven transformation are clear. Law firms that adapt will benefit the most, as AI allows them to cut down on research time, streamline case preparation, and increase efficiency without sacrificing quality. Instead of replacing lawyers, AI enhances their productivity, allowing firms to handle more cases while reducing costs. Small businesses and individuals also stand to gain, as legal services, once prohibitively expensive, are now becoming cheaper, faster, and more accessible thanks to AI-powered tools. Tech-forward lawyers who leverage AI will dominate the profession, taking on higher-value cases, working faster, and managing more clients with fewer resources. But not everyone will win. Lawyers who rely on outdated methods, especially those whose work revolves around manual case research, document drafting, and routine legal tasks, are at risk. Many firms have already replaced junior associates with AI-powered assistants that handle the same task at a fraction of the time, and cost. Overpriced legal services are also on the chopping block, as clients are no longer willing to pay hundreds of dollars per hour for work that AI can complete in minutes. The days of stacking up billable hours from simple legal research are rapidly disappearing. And then there's the most vulnerable group anywhere, one who ignores AI entirely. The legal industry is moving toward automation, not away from it, and lawyers, firms, and institutions that fail to adapt risk falling behind fast. And here's the brutal truth. If AI can now handle 50% of a lawyer's workload, that means fewer lawyers will be needed. Will AI replace judges too? CoCounsel is just the beginning. Thomson Reuters is already developing new AI models that go beyond legal research, pushing into areas that were once thought too complex for automation. The legal industry is evolving faster than ever, and AI is now expanding into specialized domains that were previously handled exclusively by human professionals. One of the most significant advancements is tax law automation. AI models are being designed to handle both corporate and individual tax compliance, reducing the need for accountants and tax lawyers in routine filing and advisory services. Then there's AI-curated legal research, which is becoming faster and more precise, capable of sifting through millions of legal documents in seconds to find the most relevant case law, something that could take a human days or even weeks. Another breakthrough is computer vision for legal document analysis, where AI can scan contracts, extract clauses, and identify legal risks in real time, ensuring greater accuracy in reviewing legal agreements. And that raises the ultimate question: if AI is already handling legal research, document drafting, and even argument analysis. What's stopping it from running entire court cases? There are already experiments with AI-powered dispute resolution, where algorithms analyze evidence and suggest legal outcomes without human intervention. Some courts have even started using AI to assist in sentencing recommendations, basing decisions on legal precedents rather than subjective human judgment. So what's next? AI-powered courtrooms, where cases are reviewed, analyzed, and decided by AI before ever reaching a human judge. AI judges algorithms that deliver rulings based purely on legal precedent, eliminating potential human bias from the judicial process. It sounds far-fetched, but so did AI-powered legal assistants 5 years ago. The real question isn't if AI will take over more legal work, it's how far we're willing to let it go. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now.